little artists! Are you ready for a fun drawing adventure today? We're going to draw and color a super fun puppet toy. Grab your black markers, and let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a big circle right in the middle of our paper. Nice and round.
Wow!
Now, we need to divide our circle into 6 parts. Draw 5 lines starting from the center and going out to the edges of the circle. Great! Now, let's draw some small circles inside each of these sections. These are the pop things of our puppet toy. Drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our amazing puppet toy. It looks fantastic. Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. So colorful, isn't it? Pink color. Dark pink color. Blue color. Deep blue color. Green color. Bottle green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Purple color. Dark purple color. Red color. Maroon color. Fantastic job, little artist! Your puppet toy looks so colorful and fun. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Hello, little artist! Today, we're going to draw some delicious fast food. Are you excited? Let's get started. First, let's draw a box of yummy French fries. Start with the box. And now let's add some fries sticking out. Wow! Next, let's draw a juicy burger. We'll start with the top bun, then add some lettuce, cheese, and the patty. Don't forget the bottom bun. Cool! And finally, let's add a sweet ice cream cone. Draw the cone first, then add a big scoop of ice cream on top. Yum! Awesome! Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. Now comes the fun part. Let's choose some beautiful colors to make our fast food look even tastier. Red color. Yellow color. Brown color. Green color. Dark brown color. Red color. Wow! Brown color. Yellow color. Blue color. Pink color. And there you have it, little artists. A tasty fast food feast, just for you. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.